Hello, my dear doTERRA community. This is Delmar. A friend of mine just passed me a great secret. Have to do the golden milk with our essential oils of turmeric, cinnamon, and black peppers. Very simple and it's so delicious. I just did it in a gathering and everybody loved it. So first of all, you can use whatever milk you want. I use almond milk unsweetened. And I do 4 cups here, and then I have this milk already. You want them to be warm enough, not boil. And after it's warm, the milk, you transfer it to the blender. Here's the secret. And then you add the ingredients I already added. You add 1 tablespoon of raw coconut, which is to cook, which is the biggest benefits when you do turmeric. You can add 2 drops of turmeric, 2 or 3 drops of cinnamon, and 1 drop of black pepper. I already did the mixture to save time. And then you can add a little pinch of the powder of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of honey. The honey a must do because it give you that flavor. And then you do a stevia, 1 or 2 tablespoons of stevia to sweeten it, not too sweet. And we blend it up for a minute or 2, okay? And then it looks like a latte. You serve it and enjoy it. It's so delicious. And in the morning, also I add the trin shake, 1 or 2 spoons, and then that could be my breakfast. Now you can drink this. It's recommended to drink it before you go bed or after dinner. And it's very anti-inflammatory, help you work cardiovascular, help you to move your body and circulation, and help you to sleep and relax when you drink it at nighttime. Enjoy it. Thank you.